everybody, my name's Tyrone. Welcome to my game show, Big Money, Big Wins with Tyrone, the big man Tyrone. Today we're going to be seeing some contestants, a returning champion to my show. His name is Jacob. He's I think he's a nice man. And the newcomer, Nabeel, and we're going to see, we're talking about photosynthesis today. Today's topic is photosynthesis. Back down here in Minnesota, it's Big Man Tyrone's Big Money, Big Wins. Lots of money on the line here. See you there. Hello everybody. So first we'll be talking to the returning champion here, Jacob Hernandez. Jacob Hernandez, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? I mean, the people probably know you already, but I need you to speak up a little bit.
I'm 17. I'm from California. I love video games, and I'm just happy to be here.
That's great. This is great. What are you doing here? Why you on my game show? So now we're going to be talking to the newcomer here that's challenging Jacob Hernandez, third-time world champion on Big Man Tyrone's Big Money, Big Wins. Yeah, that's fine. Don't pay attention to that. We just have some commotion in the studio. Nabeel, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Let's see. I'm 16 years old.
All right.
I like playing video games.
Like
Jacob.
Oh, yes, we got a bit of a contestant.
I like the color blue, and I like peanuts.
He likes making peanuts.
Yeah.
I like that about a person. He likes peanuts. What's your favorite part about the peanut?
The nut. Opening it.
That's some good quality.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna get to the questions now about photosynthesis.
Cool. Let's do it.
See you there, Big Man Tyrone. All right. So here are some rules here. Special guest on our show today. Bye. So some basic rules here on Big Man Tyrone's Big Money, Big Wins. That's another talk show. It's something really popular. Basic rules. We got so there's two categories today, as were in our last episode, and they are cellular respiration and photosynthesis. And so that's the two categories we'll be working with today. And since Jacob is the returning champion, the third-time world champion on my show, he'll be going first. Hi. He'll be going first today, and then we'll have Nabeel go second. And so that's all. Let's get started. All right, let's get started here on my talk show. Okay, so all right, boys. First question: what is the balanced equation for photosynthesis? Name each side as the products or reactants.
Oh, Nabeel.
All right. So the answer is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O reacts to produce the C6H12O6 plus CO2.
It's a good answer.
All right, some hooligans in my studio. So many people in my studio. I need to get some security. Anyway, next question: where does the light independent reaction? What is the light independent reaction, and what does it produce?
Oh, Nabeel, for the third time. Wow.
Okay, the answer is this process takes place in the stroma of the chloroplasts and produces ATP from ATP and NADP plus from NADPH.
Hey, that answer astounded me, and it made me look deep into my soul and really question, is there really a purpose in our lives? But I can't talk about that right now because this is public television, and I'll probably get canceled for it. So what herbicide was historically used as a toxic acid? Hydrogen cyanide and benzoic acids. In addition, how does it stop photosynthesis in plants? That's a pretty difficult question. I don't know if you can answer that. Nabeel, you better. This might be difficult for both of you. You do want those peanuts. This might be a little bit hard if you want those peanuts. So let's see the answer there.
Oh, Nabeel, Jacob Hernandez. Come on now.
The answer is that herbicide is natural. In plants, it inhibits photosystem by binding the proteins together in an electron chain, preventing them from moving along.
That's a great answer. Also, this camera is the most steady camera ever seen in humankind. Man, I am good at filming things.
Oh, video question. All right, boys, this might get a little bit difficult. So you want to you want to strap in for this one, get your seatbelts on, because click it or ticket. You don't want those tickets, it's a very bad, really expensive tickets sometimes. But anyway, let's get on to the video question here.
Name this process which takes in carbon dioxide and water to create glucose and oxygen. Also, explain what it is for and where it takes place. Can I go? I read your question. Can I go now?
Yeah, no, you can't leave.
I haven't seen my kids in 3 days. Please.
Hey, it's too bad.
They keep me chained here. Please.
Look here, buddy. Look here. Look here.
Do you garden? Do you use pesticides to get rid of insects? Do you experience nausea, vomiting, and lethargy? Then you be experiencing rotenone poisoning. Rotenone is a dangerous chemical used in many different pesticides. It can be extremely harmful to humans in large doses. In this quick demonstration, we will show you just how it works. For our purposes, the chair represents oxygen, this man represents a hydrogen gradient, and this young man represents a molecule of rotenone. Now this electron moves along the transport chain to become water with the oxygen molecule, but rotenone comes in and blocks it from going any further, backing up the process and preventing ATP from being created. This effectively stops cellular respiration, causing massive amounts of damage. If you or a loved one has experienced rotenone poisoning, please call the number on the screen and seek medical attention right away.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of filming on Big Man Tyrone's Big Money, Big Wins. We got a mini big boy Tyrone here. Hi Jim. Say hi. There's another man in the studio there. His name is Jim Wynn. Excellent cameraman, excellent man. He's not working on this project though. Anyway, we got a day 2 of recording our contestants here on my game show here in Minnesota. And we're going to return them right now. I'm going to spin this camera around. Excellent cameraman skills by myself here. Now, let's see who buzzes in for this next question. Or first. Oh, Nabeel. Wow. Let's hear it.
The answer is photosynthesis is a process, and plants use it to create food for themselves. It takes place in the chlorophyll of the plant. Bam.
I don't know why I'm standing. I'm just am right now. I was sitting in the last shop, and now I'm standing up. Oh, Nabeel again.
Alright, the answer is the light-dependent reaction takes place in the thalloid membrane and produces ATP from ADP and NADH from NAD+.
So that was a pretty good answer from one of the two of you. I don't know which one yet, but I'm sure one of you got the answer correct. So the next question here, what is the Krebs cycle and where does it take place? Oh, I don't know. We're about to find out though down here in Minnesota. Big Man Tyrone's going to get his answer.
Whoa,
Okay.
that was multiple button presses right there.
Dang it.
Alright, the Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. This process converts two pyruvates from glycolysis into acetyl-CoA and CO2. In addition, it creates NADH, FADH2, and ATP.
I knew it. Come on.
It's another
Disappointing.
Nabeel.
What is the oxidative phosphorylation and where does it take place? This one's a real toughie, I gotta say. Also, down here in Minnesota, I think I should be mayor because I'm also Big Man Tyrone for Nair. Vote me for Nair.
Ooh, that was a maneuver right there, I'll tell you what.
Alright, to answer your question, oxidative phosphorylation takes place in electron transfer chain. This process generates large amounts of ATP. It takes the electrons from NADH, moves it along the chain until it reaches the end where it creates H2O.
Wow. Jacob Hernandez.
Alright, glycolysis takes place in the cytosol. Glycolysis converts glucose into two pyruvates, and in addition creates two NADH and two ATP.
Got a sad face right there. It's a sad man right there.
Hey, hello. Anyway, special guest Joshua Coral on my TV show here in Minnesota. So next video question up on air right now.
All right, you ready to read the questions now, buddy?
Fine. read your questions. Name this process, which takes in oxygen and glucose to produce carbon dioxide and water. Also, explain what it's for and where it takes place. For bonus points, include the balanced equation.
Yeah, that's right. You're on live television here, buddy.
This is live?
Go back. Back in the back. Back in the hole. No, stop. Stop. Stop.
Are you tired of weeds choking out your plants or taking over your lawn and driveway? Then look no further. Bromicide is what you need. This wonderful herbicide uses nitriles and not only kills the weeds, but it keeps them away. In addition, it will only kill your weeds and not your grass. Here's a quick demonstration of how it works. For our purposes, this man on the left is our nitrile herbicide, the man on the right is a D1 protein. Nitrile works by binding to the proteins in the electron transport chain during photosystem 2, preventing any electrons from moving through, stopping photosynthesis, and killing those weeds. This wonderful product comes in 20-liter bottles for 6 easy payments of $59.95. Order today, and you will receive our handy-dandy sprayer to easily kill those weeds. But wait, there's more! Call right now, and we will send you double the amount for the same price, plus shipping and handling. That's 40 liters for just 6 easy payments of $59.95. Call the number on your screen now. Must be 18 years or older to order. Bromicide, the best weed killer in the West.
Oh, Jacob Hernandez, my boy.
Now, the answer to that question is the process of cellular respiration, and it takes place in the mitochondria and is used to produce energy for animals.
Excellent answer.
And the balanced equation is 6CO2, sorry, plus 6 C6H12O6 or glucose reacts to produce 6 molecules of water and 6 molecules of carbon dioxide.
That's great. Now, just what I expect from my son-in-law, Jacob Hernandez.
Hey, so next question. What is the metabolic inhibitor known as? Let's see here. That's a real tricky one. Rotinonin due to plants. That's a real toughie, especially since I don't know how to say it. This is a professional game show.
Oh, look at that. Right there.
Oh! Alright, the answer to that question, this final question, it works by inhibiting the transfer electrons, backing them up and interrupting NADH in the production of ATP. It backs up the electrons, using up all the oxygen, and then it can't create NAD+.
All right.
Come on.
All right, so after precise consideration by the Tyrone Corporation, that's just me, I decided that I am the winner here because I've kidnapped both Jacob Hernandez and Nabeel Khan, and I am holding them hostage for their ransom money. So Big Man Tyrone is winning big at the hostage slots down here in Minnesota. Bye.